I really won't mind if you spend the whole 1 year appropriation for the people. Pagka dumating lang sa tao, okay na. I would not, but I would restrict down to the local governments, including the spending of the intelligence fund and discretionary fund. It doesn't receive that as a discretion and just throw the money left and right. I would, nandyan ang corruption and the contract sa local government. All applicants dito sa bureaus and government corporations must agree that their names will be published. There's, I'll give my staff a limit until about a certain, I don't know when, but it must be near now, then to publish, to cause the publication of the names, lahat, lalo na yung mag-apply ng mga dito sa government corporations. There are a lot of them. And again, I would stress that it goes to the best and the brightest. No political, huwag kayong manghingi ng endorsement sa senador or from anybody, congressman, governor. Pagka may attach na ano yung recommendation, automatically do the job.